Hello friends, today's video is a short introduction on anatomy of skull bones. Welcome to the channel Homeopathy World. This video is a part of the anatomy series by Dr. Samina. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. In today's video, we are going to have a look on the skull bones. The skull or the cranium is the skeleton of the head. It protects the brain and makes up the facial skeleton. The skull is made up of 10 major bones: frontal, zygomatic, lacrimal, nasal, maxilla, mandible, temporal, occipital, sphenoid, and parietal. Let's look over each of the colored area of the skull below to locate the 10 major bones. Frontal. The frontal bone forms the forehead. Zygomatic. The zygomatic bone forms the cheeks. Lacrimal. The lacrimal are the small fragile bones that form the front inner wall of the eye sockets. Nasal. The nasal bone forms the bridge of the nose. Maxilla. The maxilla bones form the upper jaw. Mandible. The mandible is the lower jaw bone and is the largest and the strongest bone of the face. Temporal. The temporal bone forms the sides of the head and ear region. Occipital. The occipital bone forms the lower part of the skull. Sphenoid. The sphenoid bone joins together all the bones of the cranium. Parietal. The parietal are the two bones that form the top insides of the skull. So here we have completed the learning activity on the skull. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get notification on our latest updates. Thank you for watching.